Alright, welcome back. Onto this one, Seun Kuti, the son of the late fella Anikulapo Kuti. Well, he has said that Oduduwa nations do not need to kill themselves, do not need to stress themselves to leave the country. Well, we don't need war to leave the country. According to him, Oduduwa Republic, Seun Kuti reveals how Yorubas can leave Nigeria without war. Alright, onto this one, Seun Kuti, son of Afrobeat legend Fela Kuti, has suggested a way the Yoruba nation can actualize Oduduwa Republic. Kuti said, okay, and then onto this one, Seun Kuti, the son of Afrobeat legend Fela Kuti, has suggested a way the Yoruba nation can actualize Oduduwa Republic without war. Kuti said the Southwest can break away from Nigeria through a referendum. The singer, who spoke during a live video on Instagram, insisted that Nigeria can be divided without killing and war. According to Kuti, England just left the EU recently. Did they fight anyone before leaving? No. The Scottish are agitating to leave England. Why are they not saying they want to fight war before they can leave England? Don't get me wrong, I am not saying these people don't fight, but understand the narrative. Alright, and then meanwhile, according to him, he says, if Nigeria truly wants to divide, we must post it in a referendum program, yes or no vote to all the people in this country, so that we can make our argument for and then against, and the people would be carried along every step of the way, because we will need them to make the final decision. Alright, according to him, he said, if the Yoruba people want to leave Nigeria, it is not overnight. Anybody will tell you say Yoruba people can leave Nigeria over a 10-year period, that person is trying to put you in another long jump. Alright, our problem needs like 50 years of dedication to see front before everything balance. Well, even before we do constitutional conferences democratically in any country, before you do a constitutional review, you must put it to the people. The people will now decide a yes or no vote for the review before you can carry your review forward. Alright, and then but when only a handful of people want to make decisions for hundreds of millions of people, this is what you now get. Everybody is only discussing one angle, one way of separating Nigeria, which will kill millions of us in the name of separating Nigeria. Alright, and then onto this one, Seun Kuti had been able to reveal that we don't need war. Oh my God, we don't need war to separate from the country. And then I now how to like reason it in this pattern, in this manner, that fine, he has said something that the thing is, let everybody in the first place, okay, let's say we are not voting for anyone, of which the Oduduwa agitator has earlier said that come 2023 there won't be any kind of vote. That if you as a person, you are campaigning, you are lobbying to become the next governor or the next president, well, you will just be wasting your time and then resources, simply because this set of people, if they can agree together as an on addendum, if they can agree together that we are not going to vote for anyone, and then when you stand by it, and I tell you, a lot of things will be listened to. Well, and he made mention of the Scottish and the rest of them, that when they try to separate, nobody was talking about we must fight each other and the rest of it. So now everybody needs to wake up. Well, because of the way the whole issue is going right now, many people have made up their minds that okay, as far as it's concerned, we are going to leave the country. Well, everything needs to be put in place, but the truth of the matter also remains that we must put prayers first. Well, some people will not want to do prayers, some people will not want to put God first in it. They will think it can just happen overnight. It can happen by their own power. My brother, my sister, this cannot happen. Well, the truth of the matter is everyone is tired, and that is it. Everybody is tired of the way this regime had been ruling the country. On a daily basis, majority of people are dying, most especially the innocent souls. They are dying on a daily basis. And as it is right now, we cannot continue like that. They have said it that a goat does not bite, but when you push that goat to the wall, that goat will surely bite. And that is what we are talking about right now. Majority of Nigerians have been pushed to the wall. Everyone is tired. That's okay, fine. Is this the kind of generation we want to leave for our unborn children? Is this the kind of generation we want to leave, and they will not be happy that okay, fine, we have left something? No, that is why everybody needs to come together. We don't need to kill ourselves to achieve this. Seun Kuti has said it all. I'm very sure majority of people are actually, before now were thinking in this direction, but they never knew how to, chip it out. Some people have a lot to say, but they do not have the platform to get them out. Now he has said it. We don't need war to separate from Nigeria. Well, we need everyone's opinion right now to make things work out. And that is what we are talking about. Everyone's opinion counts. Because what is going on right now is not someone's fight all alone. It's everybody's problem. Yes, a majority of people started agitating for separation not quite long, all of a sudden, simply because there's been a form of insecurity in the country. And now everybody is complaining. No one is happy. So what is the way forward? The way forward, they say wetin you dey look for Sokoto, e dey for your Sokoto pocket. The way forward is in your hands. And then that is why we need to listen to every different kind of advice that will make this agitation to come to pass. Well, my people, a lot have been said so far onto this one. Meanwhile, let me have your take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks and God bless.